Welcome to the Cool English Podcast, where I bring you English vocab, culture, pronunciation, and much more.
Hello, I'm John, your host and the creator of Cool English. Whether you're learning or teaching English, join us for a fun and informative journey. Every week, we cover a range of topics to help students and teachers of all ages. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this week's episode. Hello, welcome to Cool English. Today, we'll be talking about singular versus plural nouns. A little bit of grammar to help. Let's take a look at a couple rules. So normally, we talk about singular, we refer to one person, place, or thing. So a cat, a house, a tomato. And the plural form, we normally add an S to the end of that word to signify more than one. So we can say cats, or houses, or tomatoes. There are some complications though, because we have 9 ways to make a plural noun. The regular nouns, we just add S. So we have one car or 2 cars. If it ends in S, CH, SH, X, or Z, we add ES. And we say an is sound. So for example, one bus, 2 buses. One dish, 2 dishes. If the word ends in F or FE, we're going to add an VES to it. So one life, 2 lives. One wolf, 2 wolves. If they end in a vowel plus Y, we add an S. So one day, 2 days. But if it ends in a consonant plus Y, we remove the Y and we add IES. So one city, 2 cities. We have a lot of irregular nouns. You have to be careful of these. These change completely when switching from singular to plural. So we have one man and then 2 men. 1 foot, but 2 feet. Some ends in vowel plus O. We're just going to add an S to those. So zoo becomes zoos. If it ends in a consonant plus O, we add ES. So hero becomes heroes. And some have no change at all. So we have 1 sheep and 2 sheep. 1 deer or 2 deer. We don't add an S. Let's see if we can test that a little bit. Let's start off with some easy flashcards. So we have 1 dog. What's the plural form? We would say 2 dogs. We have 1 box. What's the plural form? 2 boxes. 1 boy. 2 boys. 1 knife. 2 knives. 1 potato. 2 potatoes. 1 fish. 2 fish. Be careful, fish is a irregular. Let's take a look at some multiple choice. So the dun 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 was very loud during the concert. And we say musics, musics with an apostrophe S, musics with an ES, or music. And the correct answer would be music because it's an irregular. What about some fill in the blanks? I can see 2, and we have the word fish in the fish tank. And as we learned earlier, it's irregular, so we say 2 fish, right? We don't add an S. How many, and we have the word child, are there in the schoolyard? And because child is irregular, we'd say how many children are there in the schoolyard? Let's take a look at some open questions. So I might say, hey, how many books do you have in your house? I say, well, I have a lot of books in my house, but my favorite book is Harry Potter. What are the 2 closest cities to where you live? And I could say, well, one city that is close to where I live is New York City, or another city that's close is Boston. Let's take a look at some irregulars. So child becomes children. Man becomes men. Woman becomes women. We have 1 person, but 2 people. 1 foot, 2 feet. 1 tooth, 2 teeth. All right, what about some video clips? So with these, it's good to listen and see if you can understand what is the singular or plural phrase in it.
I wear glasses.
So I believe he said, I wear glasses, and glasses is plural. Let's try another one.
Mice don't like cheese.
Oh, that's a little hard. Let's try that again.
Mice don't like cheese.
So I think he said the plural form of mouse, which is mice. And he said mice don't like cheese. So that's another plural. And then finally, there is a test. And the test is a good way to see how much you learned. You can come here and do some true or false, multiple choice, fill in the blank, and you get a grade at the end. So thank you for going over singular versus plural nouns. Don't forget to go to coolenglish.net and check out the full activity with the test and all of the different things we went over today. Have a wonderful week.
Do you want to learn
English?
Cool English.
Do you want to learn
Cool English?
Cool.
English, dude. English.